As some of you know, I recently acquired an estate. Since this is on a public medium known as YouTube, I'm not going to tell you where it is. You already know. And everyone knows that I've been doing quite a bit in the way of renovations for my new estate. Well, one of the most important things is my new garage door. Yes, this way I can drive my automobiles right into my entire place that I live. Let's take a quick look at something that has just recently been done. Oh, here's the entrance to the bathroom. Don't you think that's clever? Oh, we'll get a door here one of these days. Aha! Here it is. The prison shower. Well, not exactly, but this is my new fiberglass shower and Kohler industrial shower head and faucets. But let's try out our new garage door. Let's see how it works. Let's go over and push the button and see what happens. An electric door opener. Jesus Christ! Those goddamn contractors, they put a door in and they left the wall. I won't stand for it. God damn it! I won't stand for it! And now the spark is finally inside. And soon to come, the Studebaker Ambulette.